Today I'm just walking along the beaches. I'm up at Old Mapoon, but you can do this at Weeper, you can do this down at Pira. There's so many places you can do it where you just got a bit of structure on the beach. And I'm walking around with a little surface lure. Let's get after it. Oh, what a great fish. These are awesome. Oh, that's a giant herring. Oh, I'll let him go real quick because they don't like being out of the water. But what a sport fish. Hey, what a fish. There you go, buddy. We just chased that school of fish that was smashing up some bait fish just down the beach there, and I was wondering what they were, and that's why I ran away from the camera. I was following as they were moving up the beach before I got one. It's just a school of little queenfish, but once again a little bit of fun on the surface lure. He's only a little fella. These things, as I'm sure you know, will get massive, but a little bit of fun. It's not eating my, whatever it is, not eating the hard body or the surface lure. So, throw a little plastic yet. Oh, queenie, nice. Oh, he's decent size. Changed over to a little soft plastic because the sun's getting right up and it's getting close to lunchtime, so they went shy on the surface and it worked. I've got this queenfish. He's lively. There you go. Oh, nice fish. Oh, there you go. Bit grubby. That's a nice queenfish. I'll get him back in the water. Oh, yep. Oh yeah. Not a huge fish, but oh yeah, it's not too bad. Oh, queenie. Another queenie. It's after lunchtime now. The build-up's coming, so the rain's going to be here by about 2 or 3, and I've only got about another hour or 2 of fishing left. I haven't caught a heap of fish today. It's been steady going, like a fish here and there, but just walking along the beach flicking a lure has been so much fun. Surface lures this morning, and now the soft plastic. I'll get this one up and give you a look at him. Nice fish. Oh yeah, nice. Nice little queenie from the beach. Ooh, what was that? Oh yeah. Oh, he's still there. Came back for it. Oh, he came back for it. Here we got another queenie, or what is it? Hasn't jumped yet, so. Another queenie, a bit smaller than the last couple. Look, great way to finish out the session and keep the sand out of that LV spin reel. But look, just walking along the beach, it's so much fun. You don't need a boat. I'm up here in the wet season, but up here in the dry season is just as good. The tides and the weather's usually a little bit better for it anyway. So we've got a few fish today. It didn't rain them. I've been fishing for quite a few hours. So, and here comes my dog to investigate the fish. Hello, buddy. But did quite well. If you want to check out a video on how to work the surface lures we were using this morning, check this one out. But if you just want to walk along with a bit of the surface lures and some plastic, you'll do really well.